Introducing CHCNAV's new ViLi i100 Visual-LiDAR GNSS Receiver, redefining flagship GNSS with revolutionary innovation. Powered by next-generation 860,000 points per second LiDAR fusion, ViLi i100 accurately captures surrounding 3D spatial data in GNSS-obstructed environments, intelligently analyzes satellite signal paths, and auto-filters multipath errors caused by obstruction or reflection. Even in narrow alleys, dense forests, or near high-rise buildings, it delivers confident and consistent 5 centimeters absolute accuracy. No matter how many times you measure, your position stays right. Once right, always right. With the enhanced SVIX 2.0 engine, ViLi i100 ensures reliable 5 centimeters accuracy within 20 meters, even in GNSS-denied areas. Using high-density LiDAR data with SLAM-based angular constraints, trained on tens of thousands of real-world scenarios, optimized for complex field conditions. No need to switch total stations. Experience true GNSS anywhere, even in GNSS-denied areas. High-precision laser sensing enables real-time 3D point cloud earthwork calculation. With Landstar software, just scan and define boundaries to get 99.98% accurate cut. Fill results instantly on site. No surface contact needed, combining precision, efficiency, and safety in one workflow. ViLi i100 supports ViLiDAR contact with survey using laser data, capturing one photo to instantly extract multiple 3D coordinates with 5 centimeters accuracy up to 15 meters. Capture first, select later. No need to aim, stay steady, or align the range pole, eliminating hand tremors. The 8-megapixel telephoto camera delivers clear visuals even when zooming from long distance. With the latest Landstar software, ViLi i100 integrates all conventional GNSS features in one flagship receiver. CAD-AR visual stakeout boosts efficiency by up to 50% and supports NTREP, UHF base rover, and PPP modes. ViLi i100 Visual-LiDAR GNSS RTK receiver. Now, you can trust every fix.